Symbaloo.com is a website that can help you organize sites that you frequently use or sites that you want your students to frequently use. There are many fabulous ways to use Symbaloo to help you stay organized. When you go to Symbaloo.com, you will need to create a free account. Once you have created an account, you will then be able to begin creating your own web mixes. A web mix is a Symbaloo page that you can title and house whatever links you want. Here are all of the web mixes that I have created. When you create a Symbaloo account, there are some web mixes that are created and given to you. Here happens to be an example of a U.S. history Symbaloo web mix that is already created. You can use this for resources, you can add to it, or change it. Here's an example of a Symbaloo web mix that I created for my math students. On here, I put the links to different math games that are appropriate for things we study throughout 5th grade. I've also included Alex, Khan Academy, LearnZillion, and BrainPop for extra practice, as well as some other sites like IXL that will help them when needing specific areas to practice. To share this with my students, I have included it in their groups. If they go to their groups and they find their math group, what they are going to find on their home page is a picture of this web mix. Here, they can click on the web mix picture and be taken directly to this Symbaloo page. Now, instead of giving my students 10 to 15 different links, they can find all of the resources in one area. Once they have come to the Symbaloo web mix, all they have to do is click on a specific tile, and it will take them to that specific website. I have created many web mixes for different topics, such as grammar and writing, Greek and Latin roots, geography, economics, natives and explorers. I can include the link to this Symbaloo web mix within a bundle on my big campus. I can also do the same that I did on my math website. I can include a picture and link it to this Symbaloo site. Again, this helps students stay organized and go directly to the sites that are appropriate for that unit of study. Another great use for a Symbaloo web mix is to organize student projects. If you send a student project or video to YouTube, you can include each of those project links on one Symbaloo web mix. That way, you can tweet one website to all of your parents where they can find every student project. This also lets students view and see other students in their class and see the work that they are providing. Now, you have a blank screen to begin from. When you are ready, click in a tile. There are many tiles already available for sites that are frequently used. For example, if I wanted to find a tab for YouTube, I can type in YouTube and there is already one available, text.com. Now, if you wanted to include a YouTube video or for, say, a student project created on YouTube, you would go to your YouTube account, find a student video that you are wanting to link to your Symbaloo, copy the website, go back to your Symbaloo, again click on the tile and go to Create a Tile. Here you will paste the website and then it will come up with the name of the YouTube video. You can choose a color and you can choose to use the picture that it gives you, which is usually a clip from your video. Again, you want your students to recognize what it is that this tile will take them to. Once you have created the tile, you click Save. Now this tile will link them to a video that has been created. When you are finished and ready to share your web mix, you will need to click Share. It is important that you click to publicly share your webmix. This is how others will be able to view it. Then you click Share My Webmix. You will know that it's public when the Twitter and Facebook pop up. Here you can copy and paste the website. You can tweet this to parents or put this website in specific unit bundles or like I did on my math website. There are many ways to share this so that students and parents can see your resources.